and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you get updates when I upload my new video. And this is a continuation to my previous video. If you haven't watched that video yet, please do watch. I have mentioned the link in the description box below, and let's start today's video. In my previous video, I was talking about how we can recycle and reuse the clothes because like I said, there is a lot of earth resources being used for preparation of fabric or clothes which we wear on a day-to-day basis. So to reduce that, we tried to reuse the sarees and the fabric material which we had at home, which were unused. And I have already shown what was the output of it. Like, we have got some frocks made for my daughter, and but I couldn't display or put them on my daughter and show you. In this video you can see how beautifully they have turned up, and they were looking once my daughter was wearing it. So this is definitely a video to just make people conscious about clothing. And when you buy items, I can also request you, right, please buy clothes of good quality so that they stay longer, and there will be less wastage in the environment. And let's start today's video. Got some ideas of how to reuse and recycle the clothes. And if you like it, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so that you get notifications when I upload my new video. Apart from that, please like and share it with your friends and family. I hope definitely it is of high use. And yeah, that's it. I am going to come up with more videos like this, and that's it for now. And please take care, stay safe, stay happy, and be healthy. Bye bye.